Alright guys, 5.5, 5.5. That's the only size that will take this out. Like for real, I've tried every size. So 5.5 millimeter. Alright. Time to see what's behind here and look at these rain guards. Man, these things are long. Alright, I couldn't get the second screw out. But, I mean, the guy right here is still there. Still hooked up. I gotta see, you know, what's going on. I mean, it's still hooked up in there. So I gotta run some water. I'll do that tomorrow. It's cold and dark. Alright, y'all. No clue what's going on here. Doesn't look like I'm getting anywhere. I'm putting water down there. It's not leaking anywhere. The only thing I can think of... okay. So where's the water coming from? It's coming from right there. What does that mean? It's leaking from here somewhere. I don't know what that means. Oh, you know what? It's not even draining. It's probably clogged. Gotta put something down there, look. So it's just clogged up with stuff. See? I put water in here like a few minutes ago. And it's still there. Alright, I'm gonna blow some air in there and see what happens. Seems like there's some pieces floating around in there. Kind of hard to pick up on camera, but it's like pieces of some kind of chunk like that. It's like right in there, but it's hard. It's too dark in there to get it. It's like pieces of something or dirt. Try to get some things to pull it out. Alright guys, these are like the few things I pulled out from inside the sunroof channel. So I guess the next move is to try to blow it out using some compressed air, which I got. Alright, unclogged that one. I guess it was just dirt backed up in there. Alright, draining down in there. Draining down there. Alright, we're good on this side. You know what, I might as well do the other side while I'm at it. Oh my god, it was like a slight delay. It was like I poured some water, then it took a little bit. It was like poured the water in there, like normal. And it's like delayed coming out. But at least it came out. So I know this side wasn't the problem, it was the other one. The other one was clogged full of dirt. I'm gonna still blow them out anyways. Why not? Alright, blew that out. And I pulled some of these pieces right here. Don't know what these are, but this is like a broken, it's similar to that right there on the other side. So I don't know what was going on back here, but it's a good idea to vacuum all this out, lube it up. I would clean it, but I can only clean it so much. So yeah guys, I mean, that's basically it for now. I'm gonna put everything back together and hopefully it won't flood in my Jeep no more. So if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe. Thank you. All right, y'all.
Peace.